So this model's on display in the Bromley store and is a very successful model. Fully integrated, as you can see, completely covered. Your door goes on here. Controls are on the top edge there. All this is fairly common. Again, you've got the auto program, which is my favourite. You can just put it on there and the machine will cope with whatever it finds in there. You've also got the eco problems, and you've got programs, and you've got fast programs. So if you want to get stuff done in an hour or so, you can do that. The main reason I'm showing you this product is the self-dosing system here. They're very successful with self-dosing in laundry items, and they wanted to replicate it in dishwashers. So literally it lasts about 20 cycles. You put one of the circular pods in about that big, just clips in there. And then that's it. You can just get on with it and do it all for you. You can still dose the machine normally, just like you normally would if you've got a favourite tab or if you run out or something like that at the time, and that'll do that. Obviously build quality again is typical Miele, exemplary. Here you've got anything orange tends to have a function. So it could be a gripper for a wine glass. That's a common query people ask, where my wine glass is going to go if I've got a cutlery tray. But they can all go down here, set them at an angle, grip them in there and things like that, and all these move, and all these racks fold down so you can put saucepans in here if you want, if you're not doing 25 plates for instance, etc, etc. This drawer here has a nice big grip at the front here, and again these orange levers allow you to move up and down even when it's fully loaded. So for some reason your arm's not spinning because it's touching, you can just pull it up a little bit, which is quite nice. And again, of course, here is the classic Miele cutlery tray, and this one's above average. It's got the manipulation, you can move it up and down and things like that and slide it around, so if you want to put a tumbler there or something like that, you can do that. Miele's self-dosing, fully integrated, hidden away dishwasher.